shoppay review. Now, shoppay is an accelerated checkout method that is available for Shopify stores, and it's also free to use and easy to set up. It also has built-in order updates for customers and has a buy now, pay later option. That's the best thing about that. Now, once customer used it for the first time, their details are stored so they can enjoy one-click speedy checkouts that reduce car abandonments. The main downside is that it can only be used by ShopeePay stores owners that already use ShopeePay payments. Now, as you can see, they have a plenty and a various of products in which you can just buy it in one click. Now, they provide excellent tracking, marketing automation, various customization options. They have easy setup, manage from a smartphone. You can also get free Shopify product promotion. They have certain coupons that you can use in one-click checkout, as I what I mentioned earlier. Multiple payment options. They also have a live customer support. Now, as a merchant, you can actually save on posting your product here at ShopPay, so you won't be able to, pay a rent for a physical store. So instead of paying a physical store, you just have to post it via online, and people or buyers will just watch it and review it. And this is the easiest, or this is the most convenient store online that you can try. And hey, they offer buy now, pay later. You can also arrange your own payment, set it up for maybe 6 weeks, maybe 6 months, and it is an interest free for the first time. Pay, or that's my shop pay review.